Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video we are going to make a second look using the Morphe palette, which I have right here in front of me. So we're going to use this Morphe palette to create our second look. If you haven't seen the first video, I will link the video down below, so that way you guys can check it out after you guys finish watching this video. But today I am super excited because I am creating my second look and I don't know how it's gonna come out. Before starting my video, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. That way you guys are notified whenever I post a video, because this channel is brand new and I have a lot to show you guys. So definitely don't forget to subscribe. And if you are curious to find out how this look is gonna come out, then keep on watching. As you guys can see, I already did my eyebrows. For my eyelid, I used the Loreal Infallible. I can never say the name right. But I used the Infallible L'Oreal concealer. And with this look, you want to have two blending brushes, one for cleanup and the other one to blend. Since it is very sunny outside, I definitely want a makeup that will basically it will shine. And right now I am seeing a shimmer color that I want to apply on my lid. So I'm super excited. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply this eyeshadow. This one is called So Fetch. So we're gonna apply So Fetch. But first I'm gonna apply tape to my eyes. My eyes are feeling a little bit weird. But we're gonna go ahead and apply So Fetch in our crease. Now that that color is blended, we're gonna go and grab this shade right here. This one is called Click. I'm gonna use the same blending brush that I use. So we're gonna grab that baby and basically apply it right here. And with the darker shade, I want to go ahead and grab this shade right here. This one is called Ardell. And you want to grab a medium eye brush. And with that medium eye brush, you're going to grab Ardell and apply it right here. And now with the inner shade, we're gonna go and grab this shade right here. This one is called Glow Girl. And we're gonna grab Glow Girl and place it right here. Sometimes I find that using a brush to apply a shimmer color to my lid, it's kind of difficult. So if that happens to you, you can always use your hands. And then you want to go with the brush and just tap that color right there. Let's just go ahead and take out the tape because it is bothering me a lot. So this is how the look came out. Okay, now that we're done with the eyes, I'm gonna go off camera and apply my lashes. I am gonna use the Wispy lashes from Ardell, this one, because I don't want to go too dramatic. The double up that I used, that one was so double up. And today I don't want to have a heavy lash on my eyes. So the Wispy one is always my go-to. So I'm gonna apply that one and I'll be right with you guys in a second. Our lashes are already set. This is the Wispy lashes. I like these lashes way better than the double up, to be honest. Like, to be completely honest. This lash is very light, but yet very like wispy. I don't know, I just feel like my lashes look so natural. The double up, it's great, but applying it wise, this one is very easy to apply. Like the other lash, the double up, it took me very long to apply, and I consider myself a beginner still with the lashes because I don't always use lash, and this one, like, it's very easy to put on, and it also always satisfies me. Okay, so now moving on, we're gonna apply our foundation. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible. I'm gonna use the L'Oreal Infallible foundation. Okay, so with this foundation, I want to try the Morphe blender and my flat foundation brush, and I'm gonna check which one I like better. So this side, I'm gonna use the Morphe sponge. And now this side, I'm gonna use my flat foundation. I think this side is better than this side. This side is like natural coverage, but this one, like, the foundation didn't come off, you know. This one, it came out a little bit. I like this side way better than this one. So now we're gonna go ahead and use our Infallible concealer. And now we're gonna go ahead and set our face. I'm gonna use the Airspun translucent powder. I want to contour my nose, and I'm gonna use the butter bronzer. I'm using the contour brush, but I'm going to like push it like this, so that way it makes a straight line on my nose. And now grabbing some more translucent powder. I want to put it right here. And now we're gonna continue and bronze all our face using again the butter bronzer. Okay, so now we're gonna finish down the under eye. With the under eye, you wanna use light. And I'm gonna set the powder using the Mary Kay spray. And with the blush, I'm gonna go with the Maybelline blush. And now with the highlighter, I'm gonna go ahead and use the Maybelline highlighter. I'm gonna use this one right here so it could give me like a natural glow. And now we're gonna go ahead and use the Superstay Matte Lipstick. And with an inner glow, I think I'm gonna use Pop and put it right here. Okay guys, so I have never tried this gloss with another shade, and this is my first time trying this, so hopefully it works. Okay guys, so that is the final look, and I'm gonna go off camera, fix this hair, not a lot because I want to keep it like this, but just fix it a little bit, and I'm gonna come back with you guys in a second. So here is the final look of this makeup. Oh my god, it looks so pretty. I definitely think that a plus from this eye is my eyelashes, because these eyelashes, even though I like the double up, like it basically covered my eyeshadow, and I just want to show off my eyeshadow, you know. I think that I have stepped up my game with the eyeshadow. I know how to blend, I think, quite correctly. Like, to defend myself, I do know how to blend, and I definitely want my eyeshadow to see. And these eyelashes, it wasn't difficult to apply, and if I recommend these eyelashes as a beginner, I would definitely recommend these eyelashes because it is not hard to apply. The other one, it was kind of difficult to apply. I already used the 3D Fox Mink, I think that's the name of the Ardell one, and that one gave me the more trouble. It gave me the more trouble applying, and it also wasn't worth the look, you know, because I record a video with that eyelash on, and I was like, no, I'm not gonna show this to my viewer, because I want to show a makeup that I feel very comfortable with sharing with you guys. And this makeup, I definitely feel comfortable showing to you guys. I think that this makeup goes well with everything. It's very natural. It's not very extreme. It's super natural to go out, especially on this sunny day, to go on a date or the beach, lay down, I don't know. Anything that you guys would want to do, you could definitely go anywhere you want. If you enjoyed this look, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe if you haven't. This is a brand new makeup channel, so I really have so much ideas to share with the world, and I want you guys to be part of my journey. So definitely like this video and don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and without any further ado, I'll catch you guys in my next video.